Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch, behind my new display of the latest paints I bought. Dollar store, $4 for these beautiful paints. Acrylic. Shoppers Drug Mart is committing a crime by selling those 250 milligrams, grams, 250 grams for $2. Okay. My paintings. Did I say it's the 6th of February and it is a Saturday? That's what it is. Turns out that the background, is so important. It's very hard to make a beautiful background for your paintings. So I'm struggling. But with my new paints, it's gonna be resolved. Yesterday, I told you that this is a Grammy Award. No, it is a Golden Globe Award. Haven't painted a Grammy yet. I'm not getting a Grammy because I cannot sing. So that's for today. Have a look at the video. Quote of the day, thought of the day. Today in the morning, I read Michael J. Fox said, gratitude makes optimism much more sustainable. I like it. If we're grateful, optimism can be sustained on a daily basis. I like that very, very much. Many years ago, when I started to write my gratitude journal, and I was prompted to do that because they said you have to be grateful. Write a gratitude journal every night. And at first I thought I cannot come up with anything. Now I cannot stop writing. Years back, a friend of mine said, oh, you're complaining you have a headache? Well, be grateful you have a head. She's right. Have a beautiful day. Let's stay optimistic and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday.